Hello and welcome to this quick demo video for Elite Video Traffic. This is a tracking app, and the first thing you need to do after you have purchased the app is to actually log into your account. And after you log into your account, this is what you will see here. This here is your dashboard. What I want to say before going on with the demonstration is that this is a very useful application, especially if you want to drive traffic from different sources, because you can do tracking, you can do split testing, and you can see what converts better for you. And that helps you optimize your process again and again every single time. Now, the first thing that you want to do after you log into the app is to add a website. Add something that you want to track. So how do you do that? Well, by clicking this plus button right here that you see on your screen, that's the first thing that you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to click that button, and then here we need to add a site name. So I'll add my personal website. Then I will just press add new site button, and that's it. We have created a new website, and it's as simple as can be. Now you can see that we have some reports here, site overview, nothing too interesting for the moment because we have just set up our website. We haven't started tracking yet. Next, you will see the products that we have, and we have none at the moment because we haven't added any products yet. And the A/B testing, well, because I told you before that you can do that, but again, we haven't set up any A/B testing yet. Now, what we want to do is, since we added our new website, basically we want to create a new campaign now. That's the first thing that we want to do, and it works very simply. You just have to press the new campaign button, and you'll see that you have two options, which is pretty cool because sometimes you might want to promote a single product, and other times, maybe you are promoting a sales funnel and you have multiple products, then you want to choose that option. Now, they are both very similar, but in the sales funnel, you have a couple more options because you have the ability to track upsells and downsells or whatever else that you have in your funnel. So let me show you how this works, and we are going to use the sales funnel as an example. And as I said, the single product, it's the same, it's just a little bit more basic. So we'll go into the sales funnel, and now that we have started our sales funnel campaign, we have to choose from where we drive our traffic. So this could be paid search, social media, classifieds, press releases, referral, display ads. For this example, we're going to go with paid search. Then we have to put in a landing page URL. I'm going to go ahead and put my website in here. We have to give this a campaign name, so I'm going to call this Test 5. For the traffic source, we can put in any type of traffic source. So for this example, I will use Bing Ads and the ad content. So basically, we will connect the traffic source to the ad content, so that way we know exactly where we are getting our traffic from. Now here for the ad content, maybe we are promoting something with a buy one, get one free, or some type of example like that, or a lead magnet, a free ebook, something along those lines. And then we have the optional to track the cost of your ad. Now you can also upload your cost reports later for exact figures. So if you have cost reports later, you can update them. But let's say that our campaign type is pay-per-click or even a monthly payment, and we are using Bing Ads and it's pay-per-click, and let's say the amount is 30 cents per click from Bing Ads, which is a pretty decent pay-per-click amount. Now, after we are done with these settings here, we press the save button. And if you scroll down, you can see that we have here all the details, the product ID, the medium, the campaign name, everything, all the details. And here is our front end of the funnel, our main offer. And now, if we want to start driving traffic here, in order for us to be able to track, we just have to press the Get Tracking Link button. And here, you can see that we have two tracking links. And basically, this is what we want to use to promote our funnel. If we promote for Bing Ads, and that's the purpose, we will copy this and we will enter the keyword that we want to track here. If we want to promote for other websites or ad networks, we will promote this link. So we either promote in our ad this link in Bing or Google, or on any other mediums, we will promote this link. That's how we will be able to track. Now let me just go ahead and close out of this. So now the main offer, you can see that we have visits 0, conversions 0 at the moment. And if I scroll down here, you can see here that we have all the stats. And I want to show you an example of how this works later. Now you can see that you have a small settings icon here, like a small cog. If you click on this, you will be able to get a conversion code that you can track the conversions for. Now first, let me enter the amount of revenue you expect from a conversion. So basically, this is how much revenue you should get if you were to make a conversion. From a sale, for example, maybe the product's price is $27.99, and then we have the conversion code. Basically, you have to copy this and paste this on your thank you page after someone buys your products. You just copy and paste it inside of that page. Then you just press save and you will be able to track your conversions as long as you place that conversion code on your thank you page. Now, let's say that we want to add an upsell to our offer. What we do, we just go in here and press the plus button. And if you scroll down, you will see that we have step number 2. Pretty nice, right? Pretty simple. Now, in order for us to edit step number 2, we just click on the small cog or settings icon here. And let's say that we have an upsell for $47.99. We copy the code. We paste it in the thank you page. Let's say upsell number 1. We save it. We copy it in the thank you page, and that's it. That's how you track it. Now, let me just get the tracking link here, and let's just test it out. We copy it. Let me open up a new window here. I'm going to go to the tracking link. As we can see, it's my website. I'm going to close out of it. Now, let me refresh the website here. Okay, and as you can see how fast that actually was updated. The visits are now 1. The cost is 30 cents. Now, why does it say 30 cents? Because basically we told the app that every single click on this link cost us 30 cents because it's a paid click that we plan on using for Google or Bing or whatever it may be. Now, you can see that the app is very simple. You can also export the details, print them, everything. If you go to your site overview right now, you can see an overall report that we have one click. It will tell you from where it comes, the visits, the conversions, absolutely all the details. You can even filter the reports here based on media source, campaign, keywords, and whatever you have. If we go into my products, you will see that we have this campaign that we set up. Now, how do you do A/B testing? And it's very simple. You just click on the A/B testing option. Then you go and press the create new experiment. We'll give this a name, AB1. Then we already have a product, basically a campaign with a specific sales page, and this is test 5. So say we want to send 50% of our visitors here. Now obviously, then we have to have a different sales page that we want to test in comparison with the first one. That will be a different product, a different campaign. So we will add a new product in our case because we currently don't have another product. It will still be test 5, and we will set it up so that 50% of the traffic is sent to this sales page. And we will just check to send the same percent for traffic, automatically send traffic to the winner. Next, when you will promote the link that the A/B testing will create for you, if you check this option after a specific number of participants, that link will automatically send the visitors to the campaign which performs better, to the sales page which performs the best. So let's check that, and let's say after 500 people. Then you just press create experiment, and we have the experiment link. And this is the link that we now want to promote if we want to do our A/B testing. So if I copy that link and just to go ahead and test it here, I'm going to paste it in my browser, and you can see that it redirects me to my website. So to the first campaign that we have set up. And if I were to do it again, it would send me to my next campaign. And that's all there is to it. That's how it works. It's very, very simple, very efficient, as you can see. And it's a very, very useful application, especially if you want to drive traffic from different sources and be able to track it and permanently optimize it, because you know that optimization is the key to long-term profits. Also, be sure to watch the Elite Video Traffic training because we have some very special training in there for you as well. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoy the application.